Hey guys, Captain here. Today I'm going to be bringing you another one of my LEGO Pokemon videos. This was a recent request by a viewer, and we have LEGO Ampharos from the Johto region. Unfortunately, I only have this one Pokemon for this video, but it comes with a caveat that I promise I do have videos lined up for the next few weeks, and I've got some more Pokemon on the way, which I hope you guys will be excited about. So, without further ado, let's get started on the build. Alright, let's get started with the body. Begin with a Travis brick in white, and on top of it, place the back side of a white headlight brick. On the underside of this headlight brick, place a 1x1 plate in yellow. Flip this back over, and then on top, place a 1x1 yellow brick with studs on two opposite sides. And then cover this up with a 1x3 white tile. Next, what you're going to want to do is, for the legs, take yellow 1x1 bricks with a stud on one side, attach them to the sides of this Travis brick and have the stud face downwards, and then place yellow cones onto each of these studs. And then for the feet, I'm using 1x2 plates, and I'm kind of attaching them centered. I wanted to do this with tiles, but unfortunately I only had one tile sitting around, so I improvised last minute, but the intention was with tiles to have slightly better balance. And so there you have its feet. Now the next thing, we'll set this down for now. To make the arms, start with a 1x2 plate with a vertical claw coming out of it, kind of like a 1x1 claw tile, but as a 1x2 plate, and then attach a 1x2 plate with a segmented bar at the end, and underneath this place a yellow cheese slope, and do that twice. These will be the arms and the sides of our Ampharos, and we can attach them, and you can see that it kind of smoothly blends in to give it the proper shaping for the side of its body. Set this back down for now. For the head, what we'll do, we'll start with a 1x1 black plate, place on top of it a yellow stud, black stud, yellow stud, and then a black Travis brick. On the back side of this Travis brick, attach a 1x1 yellow tile. On the front side, attach a yellow cheese slope with the point going downwards. On the sides, black cheese slopes with the point going upwards. And then on the very top, a red stud. Now we've got our head and neck. Place this on top. And then here's where stability might get a little wonky, but take one of these dinosaur tail pieces in white and attach a red Technic ball joint on the end. This isn't super stable, it can slip off, but it holds well enough. As you can see, I'm shaking it and it's not falling off right now. So stick that in the back of your Travis brick, and now you have Ampharos' iconic tail. And there you have it. That's Ampharos. So really quick video for today, guys, unfortunately, but I promise again in the future I've got some more LEGO Pokemon. I do hope you guys enjoyed this one. And if you have any more requests, then please do leave them in the comments below. With that, hope you enjoyed. Leave the video a like, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time.